Hi everyone, I am Guillermo Wild, and today I want to talk about how omnichannel marketing is actually transforming retail. I'm gonna use this based on Nike's consumer direct offense as my main case. Omnichannel, it just isn't about adding more and more channels to what we currently have. It's about creating one customer and one experience across every single touch point. Omnichannel marketing integrates commerce, personalization, and ecosystem designs so that journey feels continuous. Whether a customer browses in the Nike tab, shops online, or it actually visits a physical store there. The goal at the end of the day, it's a frictionless experience that connects data, service, and delivery. In 2017, Nike launched the consumer direct offense strategy to build direct digital relationships. It centered on a membership, apps, and data, especially through the NSKRs, the Nike app, and the Nike Run Club that two of them that they have. The results actually were impressive. They have faster digital growth, higher margins, and over 300 million members worldwide, while they had roughly 160 million active by 2022. Three things they actually work really well. The first one was the data flywheel. Each interaction fueled better personalization for the user. The second one was the margin mix, direct to consumers, sales cut middlemen, and the third was the brand control. They had exclusive drops and storytelling to build more loyalty with the users. But going direct all at all cost came with some trade-off. By cutting some of the wholesale partners, Nike actually lost reach and discovery. Demand actually softened a little bit. Promotions increased, and analysts noted slower innovations. That's why between 2023 and 2025, Nike actually started to rebalance and reopening all of these key partnerships that they have, such as Foot Locker, Macy's, DSW, and even they have with Amazon. The main idea of that was to regain traffic, lower acquisition cost, and still keep the data control. Uh, this shift actually shows that the strongest omni-channel model is actually the hybrid one. Direct channels give insight and loyalty. Partners bring scale and visibility. It's not about choosing just one side. Actually, it's to have something about on a balanced scale. Uh, some of the other parts that I did here is that when I asked the AI tool, it was ChatGPT, the one that I used to analyze these Nike's recent pivot. It actually revealed a pattern. The pattern was that the as owned channel growth plateaus, re-engaging marketplace and retailing reignites awareness, while the membership data keeps lifetime value high. The math, says that hybrid beats pure DTC. McKinsey's research actually support this part. Over 60% of shoppers, more across channels and retailers, maintain curbside or same-day options, sustain higher conversion and loyalty. So omnichannel isn't just a trend; it's kind of a new baseline. If we want to compare, let's compare it with Starbucks. They have their rewards ecosystems where they connect mobile payments and pickup stores in only one flow. By 2024, the program of Starbucks had nearly 34 million active US members. Every order strengthens personalization, loyalty, and operation, a textbook in omnichannel loop. And Nike built its data engine first, then had to rebuild the reach. Starbucks built reach and data together. Different paths, and at the end of the day, same thought. And so the lesson here is that the best omni-channel is customer centric, not channel centric. Uh, to win in 2025, retailers actually need to unified customer ID across all touch points, AI driven next best actions for content and offers, new drops. Number three, we got to store as a flexible fulfillment nodes and balance channels, economics, combining ZTC, wholesales, and marketplace. At the end of the day, my conclusion is that Nike's consumer direct offense was a hit. for building data and loyalty. But it was a miss when it was isolated from the partners, since, as I mentioned, they lost and they softened that demand with Foot Locker, Macy's, or Amazon. So the recent rebalance proved that omnichannel success, combining data depth with market search and using the AI to stitch that journey. I learned to judge the omnichannel not just by how many channels and brands they have, but how consistent and intelligent the customer experience feels. So one insight that I had here is that one customer, it's one experience, and that opens many doors for that commerce. Thank